Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to refund purchases on Xbox One. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, open up a web browser and go to a search engine. Then type in Xbox purchase refund just like this. And then at the top here, you should see the Xbox support article which says request a refund for digital games. And all you need to do is click on it. And you'll be taken to this page. And what we need to do is read through this here. So refunds are typically issued for requests which meet the following criteria. Requests are made within 14 days of the purchase date, and requests are for games in which you haven't accumulated a significant amount of playtime. And also, submitting a request doesn't guarantee a refund. And then there's a bit of information about if the request is approved, how you're going to get the refund, and then you can also go down to refund eligibility just to read a bit more, because obviously purchases can be quite broad. Once again, it says refunds are typically issued for requests made within 14 days. And when you haven't accumulated a significant amount of playtime, and for single-use items like consumables and in-game currency, your request is likely eligible only if the consumable was not redeemed or used. There are often limits on the number and the type of refunds allowed and the monetary compensation that we can provide to each purchaser in a year. So there we go. There's a few different points there. Make sure you read through all of these. And then if you think that your refund goes and meets the criteria, then what you can do is go and press on sign in, and you can sign in to your account. After you've signed in and come in to request availability, and you should be able to go and view your purchases. And then you can click on that purchase and then click and request a refund. I haven't got any purchases to go and refund at the moment, but that's how you do it. And then after you've gone and requested the refund, you can then go to the refund status tab, and you can then go and see the status of your refund, whether it's been declined or approved. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.